Welcome to Tackett's House of Horsepower. It's me, Steve Tackett. I just wanted to jump on real quick and I guess do an update video. I have been very busy in a non-car related type of way. So there hasn't been any content to shoot because house projects, honestly, we've been working on the house, getting it ready for hopefully starting of the construction area of the shop. So anyway, we can give you some little clips of what we have done in the last week. And sorry, I kind of just dropped off the face of the earth for you guys. Everything is fine. Everybody's happy and content. In fact, we're doing great, especially the dogs. The first phase of construction out here was clearing the forest we had in the corner back there and putting up the first section of fence. And as soon as that is done, the dogs can run free and they're gonna love it. So yeah, I promise this weekend coming up, I have some, I don't think we're gonna get on the C10. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that car yet, or the truck yet. But I do have some projects that need to get done, some basic maintenance and some stuff I've neglected on the rest of the vehicles because I kind of had to get them running to get them on the truck to get them shipped to Tennessee. So I think we're gonna see some update video and some projects get done on the 100 series Nova, the little blackish one that looks like a tree fell on it. I need to do some work to it, and I need to do some work to the Blue Wagon. And so I think we're gonna do that this weekend. So stay tuned. I promise the next video will be car related. Okay, promise. Thank you for hanging in there. I do appreciate it.
Okay, today is the day. The yard finally dried out, so we're getting a fence. They're gonna start building here soon. Scout will not have to be on a leash anymore. She can run free. We got this string up. Excuse the loud noise. I don't know if you can see the string back there. They've got all the poles laid out. They're starting to drill away. Made some good progress on the fence. See, they already have it all up, almost. Hey.
All right, here is the finished product. A bunch of, we brought in some dirt to level out some of the yard, but it's fenced all the way. There's a big gate right there. And it goes all the way down. That was all overgrown. That whole corner, you can see where it's all still kind of stubbly. All that was overgrown. And yeah, the yard's a little tore up from all the equipment, but we have a fenced in backyard. So the only thing we got to do now is let them out. Come on. Scout has been on a leash for months because we can't let her go. So we have to walk her in our backyard on a leash. But she's about to get off her leash for the first time in months. You ready? See if she'll sit.
She might have to go to the bathroom.
Okay, she's gonna let's go to the bathroom. Are we just gonna follow her, or are we gonna let her make her stop?
You ready?
Take her off the leash.
She's like, what? What am I doing?
What is it, Scout? Uh-oh, there she goes. And watch her jump the fence.
No.
Gone.
No.
She loves it.
The top is barbed wire, so.
Yeah, there's a barbed wire piece on the top. That's the first time she's got to run loose. And she's peeing.
Oliver, let her.
Leave her alone, Oliver. This is gonna make great YouTube. Across the trailer. They're gonna sleep. They're gonna sleep good tonight.
Oliver's already tired.
Huge, huge, huge. I mean gigantic. Huge. Thank you to my neighbors, Phil, Mark, and Robert. They are freaking awesome. I wish I could cuss, but I can't. Because, I mean, I don't have the words to describe how much help they gave us in clearing all this, burning it in the burn pile. We needed all kinds of help and equipment I don't have, you know. I don't have a shed or nothing, so I don't have any lawn equipment. I don't have a chainsaw. I don't have nothing. But my neighbors, they see me working and they just come and help. Like they just show up with a tractor or skid steer, loader, chainsaws, trailers, whatever I need. They just show up. And it's great.
Really, babe?
What? So now we just need to smooth it all out and hopefully green grass comes through. Huh? What do you think? You gonna say anything, Oliver? No? Okay. Scout's already tired. She didn't go far. All right. Oliver and Scout. Are you guys inspecting the fence? They're checking for deficiencies, where they can escape. Scout is trying to figure out. She really wants to get across the street to my neighbor's house. He's got a pretty large like farm ranch going on over there. And he has some cows and sheep, and Scout wants to get over there so bad. She wants to chase those things. Huh, Scout? There she goes. she gets to run free at least in a pretty good sized yard. I mean, if I was a dog, I would say that's a pretty large yard. And then once the shop is built, that other section out there is going to be fenced in as well. And the plan is to put the shop and everything out there, and there'll be gates up on the street, so you'll have to open a gate to go into the shop. So what I'll do is I'll keep those gates closed out there on the street, and then we can open that gate, and then when I walk out to the shop, the dogs can go with me, and then they can run basically the entire place except for the front yard, obviously. But that whole field out there and this whole area here will be completely open for them to run around in. That poor little 63 Nova. We got to get on these cars. I have so much work to do.